Okay, so first I did like this. And then I did like this.
She's running through my mind all day.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be doing my wash day routine. My hair is relaxed. I actually have a lot of undergrowth, as you can see, but I'm not ready to relax the hair yet. See here, I'm just taking down the hair. Guys, the last hair I had, I think it was, knotless braids. It caught my hair so bad. I don't know if you guys can see the two patches, on my hair. Yes, the knotless braids caught my hair so bad. I was so angry, just put it up in a cornrow and wore wig for that period. So at this point I was ready to face my reality. Okay, let's my hair come out and breathe. Yes, it is what I have. My hair at this point was so dry and quite coarse. So I'm going to detangle the hair. I like to detangle and comb out my hair before washing it. Just taking my time to detangle it. I lost quite a bunch of hair. That's not all. You'll see the rest later. I lost quite a bunch of hair, but I mean, it's nothing that I'm not used to anyway. Yeah, and this is all that came out. And I'm going to wash my hair using this Mega Growth shampoo and conditioner. I've used this for a while, I think for about 2 years now. Yeah, and it works for me. Although I'm trying to explore, I want to try other shampoo and conditioner brands. Yes, so now I'm going in with this Cantu leave-in conditioner. This is actually my first time using it, and I am going to generously put this on my hair everywhere, massage it in, especially because I have a lot of undergrowth. Too, I also have a really coarse hair. Yes, so my hair needs as much conditioner as possible. So yeah, I'm just generously applying this conditioner and I'm massaging it in. Don't worry about how white it looks. It ends up, dissolving. And yeah, I'm just further combing it to detangle and prep it for drying. And now I'm going to dry the hair using a hand dryer. I'm not really a fan of this hand drying phase even when I go to salons, but yeah, took my time to do it. And yeah, I know you can see my face, don't worry about my face. This is my hair drying face. I don't know if that makes sense. I don't know why I'm squeezing my face like somebody is punishing me. But anyway, took my time to dry the hair. This is it dried about 90%. I'm sure you can see white flakes. I don't know if it was the conditioner or dandruff, but I ended up going at the end of the day. So yeah, I'm going in with this growth oil by Mega Growth. I've also used this for about a year and I really like it. Although I still want to explore other brands. I think I'm getting tired of it, but it does the job. It gives me that shine and it moisturizes my scalp. So yeah, I'm patting my hair and I'm just putting it on my scalp and I'm going to massage this in. Please let me know if you have suggestions for hair creams or hair serums or hair oils that I can try. This works. It's not bad, but I'm curious. I want to try other brands. Anyway, so yeah, I'm just massaging it in, just being generous with it because my hair has been really dry. Now I'm getting with this anti-dandruff spray. This is actually my best product from this Mega Growth. It's for itchy scalp and dandruff, and I always feel the relief instantly. So I'm just spraying this all over my scalp, around my edges, and I'm going to massage it. It has this very minty, cooling feel. Yeah, and I think it also has tea tree oil and some other essential oils. I really, really like it. This is actually my best product from the Mega Growth line. So I'm just taking my time to walk it in and massage it in. And then I'm going to go back using the hairdryer just to dry the remaining 10% and allow the product, the oils that I apply, just to sink into the hair. I don't know if that makes sense. Anyway, yes, this is it. Ignore my face again. I know I look angry, but like I said, I don't like hand drying face. And now we're done, so you can see the hair looks better than what it looked like before. And I'm just going to start my ponytail, going in with this Eco Styler, I think Argan Oil Gel. And actually, I really liked it. I like the gel, like I really do. And I'm just using like a brush just to slick it down a bit and everything. And yeah, just trying to find where I want my ponytail to be. I wanted something quite up middle. I don't know if that makes sense. But not a low ponytail. I was going for like a high ponytail. Get. So yeah, just watch me pack my ponytail and figure out, where I wanted it to stop. At this point, I was so tired. Like, this is my hair. Even though my hair is relaxed, like, it gives me a tough time sometimes. Like, it gives me a tough time. It gives me really tough time. Yes, so at this point, I liked where it was, and then just tied it up. At this point, I got it there and I was so happy. See how happy I was, because my hair stresses me. It gives me a tough time sometimes, especially when I have like undergrowth. So I'm just going back in with the gel just to smooth it out, and then I'll use the brush again just to slick it some more. Just, I'm in a ponytail. I want it to look a little bit snatch. Then I went in with this silk scarf. See, at this stage, I'm not sure if it made any difference, but I needed to be out in like an hour and I didn't have time. So yeah, I went in with the hairdryer just to sort of help seal the gel, just so that the hair would stay sleek. I'm not sure if it made a difference. I'm not really sure, but I just did it. Anyway, so I tied it down for about 10-15 minutes and I went to get the ponytail that I'll be using. So this is ponytail. I think it's from Darling. I've had it for about a year and I really like it. I like the texture. It's like kinky straight texture and it doesn't really tangle. The last one I had tangled a lot, but this one does not tangle as much. So I'm just going to install it and prep the hair for the installation. I'm just braiding my hair. Somebody seeing my hair in the middle will think that the rest of my hair is this long, but it's only the middle part of my hair that's long. That's like the longest part of my head. My front hair is the shortest. Anyway, so I'm going to like clip this down and then start installing the ponytail. The only thing I don't like about this ponytail is that it doesn't have a drawstring. I prefer ponytails that have the drawstring, because it makes the snatching or the security better. This just has a comb and that wraparound thing. I like the wraparound thing a lot. I just wish it had like the drawstring, because it makes securing it a bit tedious or difficult. Anyway, so I'm just using this. By the way, this has like a velcro thingy on it. I don't know if I'm saying it right, like a velcro thing, so that the hair could stick, even though I still have to pin it down, but I like that it has that velcro thing. So so this is the first wrapping I'm doing, and I'm going to secure it with a pin. Now I'm going in with a bigger chunk of hair to further wrap it and kind of conceal that area, because since it doesn't have a drawstring, it still somehow finds a way to show. But I don't mind. I find a way to make it work. So I'm going to secure it also with a pin, and just going to start combing the hair out. This hair is quite easy to comb out, which I also like. And now I'm going in with this olive oil edge control just to clean up and neaten my edges. I like my edges all to the back, nothing fancy, nothing creative, just sleek to the back. That's how I like my edges. We are done. This is the final look. Nothing too complicated, very simple ponytail, slicked. I'm so proud I was able to tame my hair, because it's been a struggle with the undergrowth. So this is it. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.